Granny, tell a story.
Okay, child, here it goes. In a quaint village, Eliza lived with her step-grandmother, Granny Agnes. The dimly lit cottage smelled of dried herbs and secrets. Eliza's heart grew heavy with loneliness. One day, while gathering firewood, Eliza stumbled upon a magnificent willow tree. Its branches reached out like comforting arms. Eliza confided in the tree, pouring out her woes. To her surprise, the willow whispered back, its leaves rustling with empathy.
"Dear child,"
the willow murmured.
"kindness is the key to unlocking hearts. Seek Granny Agnes's pain, not her sternness."
Eliza listened. She brewed herbal tea for Granny Agnes, sat by her side during long evenings, and asked about her past. Granny Agnes hesitated at first, but gradually her icy appearance started melting. She shared stories of lost love, dreams unfulfilled, and regrets that weighed her down. Eliza learned that Granny Agnes had once been an artist, her heart ablaze with creativity. But life's hardships had extinguished that flame. Eliza vowed to rekindle it. Together, they painted sunsets on worn canvases, sang old songs, and danced under the moonlight. Granny Agnes's eyes sparkled, and Eliza discovered the magic of healing through compassion. One day, Granny Agnes handed Eliza a small wooden box. Inside lay a delicate silver locket, a symbol of lost love. "Keep it," Granny Agnes whispered. "Remember that love once buried can bloom anew." Eliza's heart swelled. She realized that Granny Agnes wasn't stern. She was merely guarding her fragile heart. Eliza's kindness had cracked open the walls, revealing the woman beneath. As seasons changed, so did their bond. The villagers marveled at the transformation. The once stern Granny Agnes now laughed freely, and Eliza glowed with newfound purpose. And so, the whispering willow witnessed love's enchantment, the mending of two souls. Eliza learned that empathy could heal even the deepest wounds. Granny Agnes discovered that love, when shared, could breathe life into forgotten dreams. And as the willow's leaves danced in the breeze, it whispered,
"Kindness, my dear, is the truest magic."
Moral of the story: in the quiet corners of our hearts, empathy blooms. Kindness can mend even the most fractured relationships.